If you want to add another section before and after or after this existing sections, you cannot use this add section command because the command insert this section between the first and last sections. So in that case, you have to edit this whole loft. So I'm going to move the bar above the loft before the loft was created. And I'm going to create another reference plane. So create another reference plane, and I'm going to use that for creating another sketch. And let's say just use a point. Okay, let's just use a point right there. So I just added a sketch point. And then I'm going to edit this loft feature, move it down, edit, and I'm going to add the fourth sketch. Now I have this shape, and I can change this different end conditions, end constraints. So end constraint, I can have like normal to profile, and I can increase that normal distance. So I can get this kind of shape.